We are at Gulf Crest. Welcome back, you guys. Sean and Alice here, Bay Real Experts, Coldwell Banker Realty in Panama City Beach, Florida. And what unit are we in right now?
Today we are at Gulf Crest.
Yes.
207A. And this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. Thanks Ivanette Free for letting us do a video of your beautiful unit here at Gulf Crest. Ivanette Free is with Jim Free Realty.
And let's check out these views from this balcony. We're actually on an end unit, so let's check out the pool and the spa. It's right below us. Alice, go ahead and tell us a little bit more about where we're at and what the cool things are to see around here.
So I told you guys a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom unit. There's 1676 square feet. This is a very desirable complex. The units here are really nice.
Looks like a little tiki bar down. Yeah,
you can almost grab a margarita from there, right?
Cool. And so we're on the balcony right now of this unit, and this slider here on the right, the first one here, goes to bedroom, and this other one goes to the living room. How far does that wrap around?
It wraps around.
Nice. I'm gonna go check it out, you guys. I'm ninja walking right now. Can you tell? So here is the other side of the unit. We got 2 more bedrooms on this side with your balcony doors for each bedroom there. So you can see the parking structure right there, a little green space right here. Wonder if this door is open. Nope. We'll try the, oh, hey, there we are.
Come in.
Cool, so this is one of the bedrooms here. Do we have tile floor all throughout?
I love this tile. Distressed white wood.
If you're calling during a video filming for YouTube, we'll call you back.
All renovated. Look at all the shiplap in the wall.
Yeah.
The granite countertops on the sink. I love the details. They have soft clothes in here. Very cute.
And the tiled in tub shower area. Nice details.
And they have the tall commodes.
Yes.
And here.
Second bedroom.
Right.
So we were just outside on that balcony right there.
So if you guys don't know, Gulf Crest is a gate condo. If you don't have the code, you don't get in.
Gotcha. So you better belong here if you're in here. Looks like we have another owner's closet here. It's locked. Here's the front door, you guys. So I'll just show you this real quick. Alice, do you mind manning the door so you can let me back in?
No.
Please. Just wanted to show you guys how close you are to the stairs. The elevator is just in the center down there, but if you wanted to just hop up the stairs here real quick,
Right.
it's only 1 floor down or
Like
up, whatever you want to.
right?
Yeah, no waiting for elevators. Got a cute bunk area that's tucked away here off the dining area.
If you don't want to use it, you just close the doors and it looks just like a closet. Love the light fixtures. The island is beautiful with this beautiful granite piece. One of my favorites. And on this side over here, you have plenty of space that you tuck in your, see, your bar stools. I love that.
Someone else is calling. I'll call you back.
All the new cabinetry, and I love the detail on the white backsplash. All stainless steel appliances.
And then we did have the master bedroom too that we haven't got to yet. But here is the living room.
And if you guys are looking here in the glass, this is going to be replaced. They had a damage during a storm, and some units got that. So
Gotcha.
Andrew is taking care of it.
And
Don't worry.
onto the master bedroom here with beautiful views of the Gulf right from your bed. If you had family members that were hanging out down at the pool, you can keep an eye on them or chit chat with them from the balcony to let them know when you're coming down or when they should be coming back up. You're in trouble.
You can tell they all had recently painted everything. It looks beautiful. The tall vanities. Love the shiplap detail, the tile showers. Very nice walk-in
Oh, with a rain shower head, that's cool.
Yeah.
We have a couple more owner's closets that are locked, but we do have a private water closet here that we can show you.
You know, go back and show this beautiful.
Yeah, let's wrap up the video on the
water.
balcony. You guys, if you made it this far in the video, we want to say thank you for being our diehard YouTube video fans. Leave a comment down below that mentions the Tiki Bar so we know you made it this far. And go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And if you have property in Gulf Crest, a condo that you want to sell, or if you actually want to buy this unit, we're going to leave Alice's contact information down below. She would love to help you out. And I'm the pretty driver, and I would love to be the pretty driver and help you guys around town.
Come on to the beach. It is beautiful out there. TGIF, if you enjoy it.
All right, you guys. We will catch you on the next one. Bye for now.